In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get started with Printify and connect to your Etsy shop so you can begin managing print-on-demand products from one place. First, log into your Printify account and head to the main dashboard. This is where you can manage your stores, create products, and track orders once your sales channels are connected. From the dashboard, find the New Store drop-down. Click it to view the available options for adding another sales channel to your Printify account. Next, choose Add a New Store, then select Etsy. This starts the connection process between Printify and your Etsy shop, allowing Printify products to be published and fulfilled through Etsy. Quick side note, for more practical Printify and Etsy tutorials, subscribe to Ecom Control. Now click Continue. You'll be prompted to provide your Etsy shop account details and authorize the connection. Follow the Etsy sign-in and permission prompts on screen, making sure you log in to the Etsy account that owns the shop you want to connect. Once the authorization is complete, your Etsy shop will be linked to Printify and ready for you to start creating and publishing products. And that's it. You've successfully connected your Etsy shop to Printify.